In this video, I'll show you how you can go ahead and block someone on eBay. I want you to come to this URL, ebay.com/BMGT/buyer block. Okay, once you're actually signed into your account. Now, on this page, you can block up to 5,000 people. Okay, you just need to enter either the username or email address, need to separate them by a comma. Let me show you something. So this profile right here, don't copy this name. All you need to copy is this. After str/, you'll see the username right before the question mark, right? So this part is their username. Copy this. I'll paste it right here. And then I'll go ahead and add a comma. Then I'll add a space. I'll find another person. This person right here. Say I want to go ahead and block them as well. So make sure this is the username. Go and copy that. It's actually the same as the display name. That is fine. There we go. We'll paste that in. You can continue doing this, right? Up to 5,000 people. Just go ahead and click on submit. And as you can see, success. And we have blocked these people. Okay. And you can keep adding to this. And there you go. Really that easy and simple.